Welcome to First Level Training, Firearms Education Center. Today we're going to be talking about breath control and follow-through. Breath control is important to maintain accurate sight, picture, and sight alignment on your target as you're squeezing the trigger. And follow-through is exactly that. It's following through the shot. After you shoot, your sight alignment and sight picture will be off, and it's maintaining that after the shot to get you back on target. So let's get started. To maintain proper sight picture and sight alignment, many things happen when you're firing your pistol, okay? You're breathing up and down, your heart's pounding, you've got a tight grip so your muscles are shaking, okay? All of this is called arc of movement. To reduce arc of movement, we practice breath control. So as you have your finger on the trigger, okay, and you're about to fire your shot, you want to take a deep breath, let it out, and stop at the bottom of the breath. Hold your breath, and then fire in order to maintain less movement, to keep your sight picture and your sight alignment in check. After the shot, after you fired, okay, the gun is going to give you recoil, which is going to misalign your sight picture and your sight alignment. So follow through is very important. So as we go through this drill, you're going to notice two things, okay? Grip control, just keeping your gun nice and tight, okay, and aimed steady, using your support hand as almost like a camera tripod, okay? So when you pull the trigger, the only thing that's moving is your trigger finger. You just want that to be moving when you fire the shot, okay? You want to keep from squeezing the gun, which will pull your gun either down or to the left, which happens a lot, but through practice this will go away once you maintain proper grip control, breath control, and follow through. So here's what it should look like. Grip control, proper sight alignment and picture, breath. At the bottom of your breath, stop breathing for a short bit as you squeeze the trigger, and then follow through back on your target. Okay? Let's go through this again. Breath, bottom of your breath, steady grip, sight picture, sight alignment, and trigger pressure, 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 and break. And then follow through. After that break, immediately get your sights aligned on your target, and you're ready for your next shot. But keeping in mind that the next shot also you need to be in control of your grip. A lot of times the gun jumps after it's fired. It may wreck your grip a little bit. So you're going to keep your grip nice and tight again, or reestablish your grip. Then you're going to take your breath, or if you're still at the bottom of your breath, a small breath inhale, breathe out, stop moving, stop breathing, trigger pressure, pressure, pressure until you break, and then back on target again. Okay? So these are very simple fundamentals to learn, but they're important as you're breaking your shot. This way it reduces the arc of movement, it keeps your sights on target and aligned, and it prepares you after the shot to keep you back on target so you can do multiple shots without being off after your first one. Similar to this. Okay, so maintaining your breath, maintaining your grip, and follow through. Very essential when it comes to accurate shooting. We'll have more on this in another episode. Thanks for watching First Level Training, Firearms Education Center. Be smart, be educated, and be safe. Thanks for watching.